doing an experiment about the types of rocks and how rocks change. We'll be doing it with these lovely ladies who have been given permission by their guardians to participate in the experiment. We'll be studying sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rocks. We'll start with sedimentary. Okay, the first things that you're going to need to start this experiment is a grater and crayons. This process of grating the crayons is like the process of weathering, which occurs over millions of years and wears rock down to gravel, sand, and mud. Okay, once you finish grating your crayons, you are going to need 3 tablespoons and place it in the center of a piece of aluminum foil. After you have placed 3 tablespoons in the center of the aluminum foil, you're going to fold over the edges. And then on a hard, smooth surface, you are going to apply pressure. Once the pressure is applied, the particles should be partially fused together but crumbly. This will illustrate sedimentary rocks being formed. So if you look at it again, if you look at the sedimentary rocks being formed, you'll be able to tell that they're together, but they still have the ability to come apart. And that's how sedimentary rocks are formed. Okay, the next type of rock we will be making is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock forms when rock layers are buried so deeply that the Earth's heat and pressure changes them. Okay, to begin this experiment, you're going to need an iron, 3 tablespoons of the crayon grating, which we will place in the center of the aluminum foil. The iron should be heated to low heat. Okay, you'll place another piece of aluminum foil on top of the crayon grating. Fold the edges. And then apply pressure from the iron on both sides on low heat. The crayon pieces should be fused more than the sedimentary rock, which she'll show. Some pieces may be melted, but individual crayon colors will still be visible. So the metamorphic rock is similar to the sedimentary rock, but it's a little more tightly connected. Okay, and lastly, we have the igneous rock. The first thing we have to do when we're making the igneous rock is to have your students form a mold, like a bowl, to put the igneous rock in. So you're going to take your mold, put it inside the pan on top of your burner, and place it on low heat. Igneous rocks form when the rock melts completely. So next we're going to take 3 tablespoons full of the grated crayons and place it inside our mold. It should be heated on low heat, stirring occasionally. The liquid that the crayons are turning into, the liquid represents lava or liquid rock at the Earth's surface. It would be called magma if it melted below the Earth's surface. Okay, so we're going to keep stirring it and let it melt. Once it has melted, remove it from heat and let it cool. And then you will have an igneous rock will be formed. So ladies, show it. Once your igneous rock is formed, it will look like this. This concludes our experiments on metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary rocks.